Hi everyone, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing rounding integers. So an integer is essentially a whole number. It could be positive or negative. Let's take a look at the first example. Here we're being asked to round 788.6 to the nearest integer. So our integer here, or our unit column, is going to be this 8 here. This 8 right next to the decimal place. So how you determine what this 8 rounds to is by checking the number directly to the right. If the number directly to the right is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then the number that you're planning on rounding rounds up. So 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it rounds up. If the number that you're planning on rounding, so here we're being asked to round to the nearest integer, so we're focused on this 8 here. If the number directly to the right of it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then it stays the same. And all of the numbers after it become a 0. So for this example, we want to round to the nearest integer, so we check this 8 out, check the number directly to the right of it. It's a 6, so therefore this 8 rounds up. So our answer should be 789. Now I can put a 0.0 here, but it's not necessary. The only time it's necessary to put a 0.0 or a 0.00 is if you're being asked to round to decimal places. But in this case, they're not asking us to round to decimal places, so I'm just going to leave my answer as 789. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now we'll do a 2-star example. Here we're being asked to round 729 to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. So the number we're going to be focused on is this 2 here, since it's in the tens column. So the number that we're focused on is this 2. We're going to check the number directly to the right of it, which is this 9. Is it 5 or greater? Yes. Then the 2 rounds up. So it's going to be 730. It rounds up to a 3, this 2, and then all of the numbers after it become a 0. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now we'll do a 3-star example. Here we're being asked to round 3,217 to the nearest 1,000. Nearest 1,000, so we have to go to our thousands column, which is this 3 here. And we check one number to the right, which is a 2. Is it 5 or greater? No, it's less than 5. This 2 here. Therefore, this 3 stays the same, and all of the numbers after it become a 0. Essentially, when you're rounding, you're asking, rounding to the nearest 1,000, is this number closer to the next 1,000 above it, which is 4,000, or is it closer to the 1,000 below it, which is 3,000? In this case, we know that 3,217 is closer to 3,000. And of course, using the method that we've been doing throughout this video, this is true. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do one more 3-star example. Here we're being asked to round 903 to the nearest 100. So we're going to go to our hundreds column, which is this 9 here. And now we're going to check the number directly to the right of it. Is it 5 or greater? No, it's not. It's a 0. So therefore, the 9 stays the same, and all of the numbers after it become a 0. So of course, 903 to the nearest 100 is closer to 900. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on rounding integers.